A study conducted by Jamama Internal Medicine shows that eating refined foods causes people to have a decreased lifespan of 33%. In this video, we are going to reveal the foods that are killing you slowly but surely. And if you stick around till the end, I'll share with you what to eat instead, so you can live a longer, better life. So let's jump in, starting with number 1 on the list, and that is sugar. Our bodies need sugar for energy, and it's actually our preferred fuel source. However, the key word here is that it needs to be in moderation. Too much sugar consumption has been linked to an increased risk of mortality from all causes, including heart disease, cancer, and diabetes. According to research conducted at Oxford University, those who ate more than 70 grams of sugar daily had a higher chance of dying from any cause than those who consumed less sugar. This is because too much sugar in your body leads to obesity, high blood pressure, inflammation, and high blood sugars. And when you combine these 4 factors together, it increases your risk of getting chronic diseases such as diabetes or cardiovascular disease. To reduce your sugar intake, always read the labels on packaged foods, since added sugars are commonly found in almost everything from bread to salad dressing. A great way to stay away from excess sugars is to avoid processed foods as much as possible. Also, watch out for drinks like soda and fruit juice, which are loaded with fructose corn syrup. Lastly, avoid desserts and sweets, especially those containing palm oil, as they tend to be high in saturated fats as well. All of these foods will not only cause you to gain weight, but also increase your risk of developing deadly diseases. So start cutting down on your sugar intake today if you want to live a long and healthy life. Next up, we have the vegetable oils. Most of us love to cook with oils and use them in our salads and mayonnaise, but many of the common cooking oils we use are causing our bodies harm. The reason is that most of the oils we consume come from highly processed sources. Vegetable oils are extracted from grains like soy, corn, canola, and cottonseed, using chemical solvents like hexane. And if that doesn't sound very healthy, then there's another problem. During processing, these oils are often exposed to high temperatures and pressures, which alters their chemical structure and creates harmful compounds known as trans fats. Trans fats have been linked to inflammation, high blood pressure, insulin resistance, and heart disease. Furthermore, vegetable oils are usually rich in omega-6 fatty acids, which are essential for the human body. However, consuming too much of them has been linked to inflammation and various chronic diseases like diabetes, obesity, asthma, and even cancer. So if you want to protect yourself against these harmful effects, it's best to avoid fried and processed foods, which contain high amounts of vegetable oils. Instead, try using healthier oils such as extra virgin olive oil, avocado oil, or coconut oil when cooking or dressing your salads. You could also cut down on the amount of oil you use while cooking by using non-stick cookware. By making these simple changes, you'll be able to limit your exposure to harmful vegetable oils and reduce your risk of developing chronic diseases. Coming in third on the list, we have refined carbohydrates. Grains are considered a staple food in many diets around the world. But unfortunately, many of the grains we consume are heavily processed, which removes their fiber, vitamins, and minerals and leaves only refined carbohydrates. These refined carbs include white rice, bread, and pasta, which are made from refined flour and have been stripped of their nutritional value. In fact, a study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that eating too many refined carbs can lead to an increased risk of mortality. This is because refined carbs do not fill you up for the amount of calories that they provide, and they get digested quickly, causing blood sugar spikes and leading to cravings for more carbohydrates. As a result, people who regularly consume refined carbs tend to consume more calories overall, which can cause weight gain and obesity. Obesity increases your risk of developing serious health problems like heart disease, stroke, type 2 diabetes, and even some types of cancer. So to protect yourself against these risks, you should try to avoid refined carbohydrates as much as possible. Opt for whole grain alternatives like brown rice, quinoa, or whole wheat pasta, which contain more fiber, vitamins, and minerals than refined grains. Additionally, make sure to check food labels carefully, as hidden sources of refined carbs can be found in many processed foods, including condiments and sauces. By reducing your intake of refined carbs and choosing healthier alternatives, you'll be able to improve your overall health and lower your risk of developing chronic diseases. Fourth on the list of deadly foods is salt. It's no secret that consuming too much salt is bad for your health. After all, it can lead to high blood pressure, which increases your risk of heart disease and stroke. But recent studies have shown that eating just a little bit of salt may actually be beneficial for our health. In fact, a study published in the New England Journal of Medicine found that reducing salt intake does not lower the risk of death or the risk of major cardiovascular events. In fact, the study concluded that there is no clear evidence that reducing dietary salt is beneficial for people who are otherwise healthy. The reason why this happens is because salt contains sodium and chloride, which are important electrolytes that help regulate fluid balance, nerve function, and muscle contraction in the body. However, consuming too much salt can lead to an excess of sodium in the body, which can cause water retention and increase blood volume. This can put additional strain on the heart and blood vessels, leading to high blood pressure and other cardiovascular problems. On the other hand, consuming too little salt can lead to dehydration, low blood volume, and even seizures or coma in extreme cases. Therefore, it's important to find the right balance and consume salt in moderation. The World Health Organization recommends that adults should consume no more than 5 grams or 2 teaspoons of salt per day. This can help maintain proper fluid balance, nerve function, and blood pressure levels without causing any adverse health effects. Last but certainly not least, we have alcohol. If you enjoy having a drink or two every now and then I have some bad news for you. Alcohol has been linked to an increased risk of mortality from all causes combined, including accidents, homicides, suicides, and chronic diseases. Research has shown that consuming too much alcohol can have devastating consequences for both physical and mental health. Excessive alcohol consumption can lead to a number of chronic diseases, such as liver disease, pancreatitis, heart disease, and certain types of cancer. It can also cause brain damage, memory loss, and other cognitive impairments. Moreover, alcohol is a diuretic, meaning that it makes you pee more and can lead to dehydration. This is why it's important to stay hydrated and drink plenty of water whenever you consume alcohol. People who abuse alcohol over a long period of time develop alcohol use disorder, which is a chronic disease characterized by an inability to control alcohol consumption despite negative consequences. Alcohol use disorder can have serious implications for physical and mental health, relationships, finances, and employment. The good news is that alcohol use disorder is treatable, and there are several effective treatments available. So if you're struggling with alcohol abuse, don't hesitate to seek professional help. To sum everything up, we've covered a lot of ground today about the foods that are slowly killing us. Now that you're aware of the dangers of eating refined carbs, vegetable oils, excessive salt and sugar, and abusing alcohol, it's time to take action. Making simple changes to your diet can have a profound impact on your health and longevity. Start by cutting back on processed foods and sugary drinks and replacing them with whole, unprocessed foods like fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. Remember, small changes can make a big difference. By being mindful of the ingredients in the foods you eat, you can avoid harmful additives and unhealthy fats that can shorten your lifespan. Additionally, try to cook meals at home using fresh ingredients, so you have control over the quality and quantity of ingredients going into your food. By taking these steps, you can improve your overall health, increase your energy levels, and reduce your risk of chronic diseases, ultimately helping you to live a longer, happier life. So what do you think? Will you be changing your diet after watching this video? Let us know in the comments below. Make sure to give this video a like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. And as always, thanks for watching.